frequently is deep learning. What is deep learning? Let us understand what is deep learning. Okay, first of all, we have to get idea on these terms, then we have some clarity, then whatever we are learning, we know like where exactly we are going and what is our end goal. So there is one particular machine learning algorithm called artificial neural network. Can you name few machine learning algorithms or predictive modeling algorithms that you have heard of? Anybody? Can you name a few machine learning algorithms?
CNN.
Regression analysis, isn't it?
Yes.
Regression.
Logistic.
Next one is logistic regression, isn't
Linear,
it?
linear regression.
Linear regression, logistic regression. Regression means linear regression only. Third one is anything else that you...
Decision tree.
Decision tree, right? Decision tree.
Classification.
Forest.
Random forest.
Random forest. Yes, random forest. That is also a machine learning algorithm. Next one.
SVM.
SVM is a machine learning algorithm. That's right. Any other machine learning algorithm? Gradient boosting method is a machine learning algorithm.
Decision tree.
Decision tree. DT is a decision tree. That's right. That's a machine learning algorithm. Artificial neural network is a machine learning algorithm. Like that, there are so many machine learning algorithms. Some of them are widely used. Some of them are rarely used. Whatever it is, these are machine learning algorithms. One of the machine learning algorithm is artificial neural network. Okay, it does a particular job. It has a different style. An artificial neural network has your input layer. You have input layer, and then it has a hidden layer, it has output layer. That is artificial neural network algorithm. It has the structure. When we reach this ANN, we'll get to know what exactly is this. But there is a specific case of artificial neural network algorithm. What is it? Apart from input, hidden and output layer, if you have multiple hidden layers in ANN only, in artificial, this whole thing is neural network, but artificial neural network. If you have multiple hidden layers, then this is known as deep neural network. What is it? Deep neural network. And there are so many applications of this deep neural network. This has been separated as a different topic right now. So this is known as deep learning. What is deep learning? Deep learning is completely handling the algorithms that are related to deep neural networks. What we'll do is maybe we'll try to make some modification to these hidden layers, create some other type of layers. This whole subject that deals only with artificial neural networks advanced version, if you call me, okay, if you call that as artificial neural network advanced version, is deep neural network, the subject that deals with only deep neural networks. In machine learning, you have so many algorithms, right? Like this, you will not have many algorithms in deep learning. You will have every algorithm will be connected to artificial neural network. Deep neural network is advanced version of artificial neural network. In fact, this is known as shallow network with one layer. This is known as deep neural network. The subject that deals with deep neural networks is deep learning subject. So in deep learning, what we will have is, you have anyway artificial neural network. Then there is something called convolution neural network. A different type of neural network, we do something else to this. We will add a different type of layer called convolution layer. That becomes convolution neural network, recurrent neural network. So these are all the algorithms in deep learning. Deep learning is very good when it comes to image handling, some of the text handling. These algorithms are perfect. Convolution neural network, recurrent neural network, long, short-term memory. These are some of the algorithms of deep learning. So that's the difference between deep learning and machine learning. If you ask me strictly, I would say deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Within machine learning, you have something called artificial neural network. Advanced version of artificial neural network is deep neural network. Deep learning handles everything related to deep neural network. And what are the deep neural network algorithms? CNN, RNN, and LSTM. Apart from this, there are other ones as well, but these are the famous ones. You cannot really follow deep learning without following machine learning, because ANN is kind of peak of machine learning. Once you get a good understanding of machine learning algorithms and artificial neural network algorithm, then you can go forward, learn deep learning algorithms. That is about deep learning. Any questions on this?